Lift that load high and dump it to the left. Next, focus on those upper supports. Keep that debris clear down there.
Excavator, move in and start digging right there. And crane team, swing those beams over to the foundation now. Let's keep this moving. The primary couplings are secure. As you can see on the tablet, engine efficiency is up 20% and the boiler pressure is stabilizing. Repairs complete. We just need to secure this last wire right here. The connection is crucial for the power flow. And there we go, bright as new.
All right, team, the blueprints show the new sod goes right here by the entrance. And make sure those petunias are watered properly.
All right, team, the structural integrity here is compromised. We need to reinforce this section first. What about the tracks, Captain? Should we clear the debris now?
Take that wall down. Harder. Move that debris, let's go.
The structural integrity here is compromised. We must follow the blueprint specifications exactly for the foundation repair.
Keep moving that debris. We need to clear this section by noon. Watch the south wall, it looks unstable. Heads up on the crane. Swing it left, easy now. And get that excavator moving faster.
We have to restore this classy, lovable engine model. Mark that section for reinforcement, and up there, make sure that that bracket is flush with the wood grain.
I know this will work. It's not rusted too badly. We can bring it back to life.
We need to secure this weld right here. Make sure it's perfect. Once that's done, we move straight down the line, keep the pace up.
Now we apply the first coat of paint. Listen to that smooth brushing sound. We want to make sure we cover this section completely for a perfect finish. We're making great progress. Now, I want the remaining sod laid precisely along this line, and let's get those petunias potted by the entrance.
This project was definitely challenging, but not impossible. Ha ha! Hard work always pays off.
Hooray!
Thank you, Mr. Catman.
They're finally
You saved
here.
the day. You're our hero.